That should do it.
We probably cut it right here, huh? Should be more than enough rope. Got something that rope is.
Change my handy razor right here. Maybe
Juice.
a little short.
Good.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, that worked.
Speed that through.
Look, this isn't even really.
Back out right here.
You'll go like this. Wait, you're gonna give me. You gonna take all mine?
No, that is not going to work. You know why? Because as soon as you start pulling and lift on it, it'll slip that
What if we do this?
Yeah. Now we have enough rope.
Oh yeah. Because I have a lot of slack in this.
Try to see it.
Have we did it? Like we fishing knots.
You just need a serious knot. Something not to untie. Just means just keep tying till something. See what happens. Okay, there we go.
You pull slow and all what? Here. I'll hold this. Until we get her moving.
But
You know, it probably work better if you put it on something low.
that's what I'm thinking. We don't have another pole close by. We don't have another pole close by.
Let's see.
Well, we got that on there. I got something I can get a hold of now. I might have to pull it by here. Push the motor. Should be able to get it.
You want me to push or you want me to come help pull?
Just push. Well, I thought we were going to get somewhere.
I got my ass in it. It just ain't.
I get a weight on it. Lean into it. I can pull quite a little bit. We need to pull this off and get it out of the way. From the way now. Got rope to get around that pallet for you operators. Hey. Come on.
Okay, where exactly the goal?
We'll try to get as close to the center of that as I can.
Okay.
Which I think Well, we're gonna slide that back a little bit too, I guess.
Yeah.
So let's try that. Whew.